Emily has a list in her hand, though she barely needs it. She has already gone over the recipe so many times that she knows it by heart. She is at the supermarket near her college. It is a Wednesday afternoon, and the store is quiet, just the way she likes it. Her friend Mia is coming over on Friday. Emily wants to make something warm and homemade, not just pasta or takeout. She decided on beef stew, her mom's recipe, the one she grew up eating on cold winter nights. She starts in the vegetable section. Carrots, potatoes, and onion. She picks them up quickly, one by one. She takes her time with the potatoes, checking each one before it goes in the basket. 3 firm ones go into the basket, and she moves on. She finds the celery nearby and gets a few stalks. They are crisp and fresh, exactly what she wants. She almost walks past the garlic before catching herself. She turns back and picks up a small bulb, tucking it into her basket. The meat counter is at the back of the store. A man behind the counter looks up as she approaches. Emily tells him she is making beef stew and asks what he would recommend for slow cooking. He nods and reaches for a cut without hesitating. He wraps it neatly and hands it over the counter. Emily thanks him and places it carefully in her basket. 6 things down, 1 to go. She heads to the soup aisle for beef stock. She finds the right section, but the brand her mom always used is sold out. She looks at the other options for a moment, but nothing feels right. Then she notices beef bouillon cubes on the shelf below. She picks up the box and turns it over to read the ingredients. It looks like a reasonable substitute, and she remembers now her mom used bouillon sometimes too. Emily smiles and puts the box in her basket. Problem solved. At the self-checkout station, she scans each item one by one, watching the total go up. It is a little more than she planned, but it doesn't bother her. She packs everything neatly into her bag and heads for the exit. Outside, the late afternoon air is cool and still. She shifts the bag to her other hand and starts walking back toward her apartment. She is already picturing Friday evening. The stew simmering on the stove, the kitchen filling with that warm, familiar smell. Mia is going to love it, and honestly, Emily can't wait either.